Look at that thing. Oh, holy cow. Holy cow. Wow. Look at that baby.
Make yourself at
Oh,
home.
wow.
Oh,
Check her out.
look at the flames on that thing. Wow.
Mike, you threw down a challenge on the paint because you wanted flames, but just not flames. You wanted something different. You wanted a different spin on it. And so these guys really went off on the paint job of this car.
Oh, I love the paint. I absolutely love that paint.
I do too.
Looks like a real-life Hot Wheels car.
Yeah, you did a fantastic job.
You guys didn't even walk around the car yet.
Yeah, let's go
I'm
take
still
a look.
looking at the flames.
We took this thing down to nothing, and it is literally a brand new 79 Z28.
Wow.
We did a 2-inch drop spindle setup on the front.
Okay.
We re-arced the rear springs on the back, so she sits,
Yeah,
in my
yeah.
opinion, perfect.
Yeah.
The hood scoops on these things, they were just basically decor. They weren't really functional.
Yeah.
I want you to know we made this one 100% functional, and we gutted out the hood scoop, so you are actually getting cold air going into that scoop. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think there's probably something cool under the hood, man. Really? That's
Yeah,
what I heard.
yeah.
That's
We
what I
gotta see
heard.
that.
Bam.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
All finished inside, too.
Holy
Everything.
cow.
Firewall, bodywork painted, everything. Matches the car.
Oh, yeah, I mean, look at the springs, everything.
Oh, yeah.
All painted.
All right. What you're looking at is a 383 stroker. It's roughly 450 horse. You've got Restomod air conditioning setup in it now. Power steering, power disc brakes, drop spindles, 700 R4 trans, backing this thing up. Stamp of approval?
Stamp of approval.
Nina?
Absolutely.
Love
100%.
it. Your first car has always got a special place in your heart, and I was honored to be able to get Mike and his wife, Nina, back in touch with that first love. I know these two are gonna have a blast in that beautiful Z28. This thing rocks. Man, I do hate to see it go.
You did a fantastic job.